All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back. How's everybody doing? Good to see you all. Norman, everyone. Mary, good to see you all. Bonnie, everybody, welcome back. Everybody on YouTube, Facebook Live, welcome. All right, good. So it's a new week. Got a little bit of a crash going on in the market right now. We're down about 660 points, almost down to close to about 700. I guess a lot of you, if you're watching the financial stations, you hear what's going on. Apparently, there's this second largest realtor in China is going to probably default this week. I'm also concerned about what's going to go on with the Fed meeting this week. Also, I told you this around this time. I have a couple of people in the banking industry told me, they're like, listen, the only thing they're concerned about is they know there's a big issue about inflation. If they start raising interest rates and they're going to start hitting it hard, you could also see another little bit of a correction here. So down about, we just broke 33,000 for the first time. Where's the Dow right now? I'm just out of curiosity. So here's our Dow right here. So we're right around 33,000. We're down 33.7. So we're right around here. So you could see that this is a really big support levels. We're going back to April, for crying out loud. The low there is 33,700. So we're hovering right at these support levels. If it does break it, I mean, we're looking not too good. We're probably going to be testing right around here, around 33,100, right around there. You know, we got some support levels right around 33. So you could see that that trend is obviously look like it's going down. You see there's a little bit of a Fausto flag right there. So, you know, just be careful on your swing trades, everybody. I mean, I got a couple of swing trades right now. I'm losing some money on it. Probably going to end up taking a loss on them. I just don't like what the trend is going on. And I mean, I know some people are still bullish about it, but you could see it is bleeding everywhere. So there's probably going to be a good buying opportunity for all of us. So we'll just go out there and play it and see how things go on. Now, regarding about what happened on Friday, you know, and yes, thank you very much, everyone. I did have a really good birthday, and I'll probably put it on my Instagram if you're following us on Cyber University. But yeah, so we went to this really beautiful restaurant in Manhattan. I don't know if you guys live, you know, in the New York area, but they did such a beautiful job at the Seaport. I mean, first of all, getting a reservation there is like, you got to know somebody that knows somebody. And and I had to go through, well, wasn't me, my wife did it, had to go through steps to get it. You know, it was, you know, $300 a person, you know, so it's not cheap to eat at these restaurants, believe it or not. You know, being you know, some of the top 10 restaurants in Manhattan, is over 13,000 of them. But there are some, yeah, there's some nice places, a beautiful view. They spent like millions and millions of dollars. Gorgeous place. We also had a 10-foot pizza that was pretty unique. Also, I'll put that on my Instagram. That was pretty cool. A 10-foot pizza. I don't know if you ever seen one before, but it's pretty damn long. So it's go big or go home, right? If you're in Texas, is that what they say? So anyway, I had a really good time. But other than that, you know, I always celebrate my birthday for a month. So, you know, I figured 50 is big. But anyway, let's go. But I wasn't here on Friday. I know you guys did do some trading on Friday. There were a couple of stocks that did make some big moves. I heard. I was talking to Josh. He's sending it over to me, and just want to talk about it. And you know what? Listen, when it comes to trading, you know, this is what I kind of always tell everybody, that it's okay to miss a day. I mean, listen, or 2 days. This is what's so nice about being a day trader, is that you can come in and you can work 2 days a week and you could just pick up wherever you left off. But yeah, I mean, I would have loved to have been in CRVS. You know, I know a lot of you guys did well. Actually, that was a beautiful trend right there on that stock, you know, when I kind of look at it. But look how pretty it is. From 330, you had this big runner up, go right into after hours. Stock breaks all-time highs, a couple of those shakes right there. Goes from 470 right up to, you know, at the close around, you know, 560. That was pretty cool. I like that. Nice little move. IPHA, nice pop right at the gate. Holy crap, that was really nice. Damn, you guys must have cleaned up on that one, huh? And you had plenty of time to get in. You could have just wait for the 5-minute shake right around there at 8:36. Then goes to $11. Wow, that is awesome. Good for you. Surf, SURF, another nice little move, nice little trend. I could see it probably was a little slow for some of you, but nice little move right there also. And after, we've been trading that stock a lot. That stock has treated us very, very well. Also, nice afternoon mover. Friday afternoons have been pretty cool. I like Friday afternoons. Just that, kind of stinks if you spending the whole day and all of a sudden doesn't go anywhere, and then boom, there you are. But yeah, you had a couple of nice moves. Jose on YouTube, thank you very much. Tina, thank you very much. Appreciate that. And for everybody out there, thank you very much. Thank you very much. And thank you very much. All right. So let me just take all those out. I just posted those up on YouTube. All right. So what's going on this morning? So anyway, so what we got going on, listen, there was a couple of nice stocks. I was a little disappointed on this one stock that made a really nice move right here. The ZIVO, what a nice trend. I mean, this thing just literally in pre-market was awesome. Look at this, 730. The thing ran from 380 all the way up to about $8. I thought it was still going to go higher. And I know we came in around the 8 o'clock move, and then she started breaking down. I mean, that's a pretty substantial pop right there. But she's definitely going on the watch list. And not only that, she does got warrants out there. And once again, I'm not here to teach you about warrants. We cover that in class. But yes, the stock did have some warrants. So the ZIVO, I'm going to put it back on the watch list and see how it works. Another stock that also made the watch list right here was ADSA. So you can see this one. It's kind of holding here pretty strong. Really nice push. Breaking a 52-week high, up 55%, 8.5 million shares traded. Pretty much what we're looking for, but just be careful. Tier size are very, very small. You can see here on level 2, we're talking very, very small tier sizes. Was not really that, you got to be careful. Just because you see a stock going up, and we cover this in our first lesson of our classes, it's tradable, trend, and trap. The first T is tradable. If it's not tradable, you don't want to trade it. Another stock that's moving this morning, really nice little trend right here, but just kind of flat right here. I'll put it on the face. I'll put this on the B list, but the VSTM, really nice push stock. We traded back in May when it ran from like $2 up to about $5. Looks like she's backing off from the highs around 4. She's down to 330, but there's a pretty big iceberg order holding there pretty strong right there. You got a couple of stocks like this up 17%, but it's kind of flat. APRE we traded kind of flat, just working down the percentage gainers list. Not a lot out there. And you know why? Because the market's getting beat up. So, and over here on the New York, New York is known for its ETFs. You could see the triple short share right here, the UVXY doing really, really well. The only problem with ETFs, which that it's very hard to kind of follow them on level 4. The VIX, obviously, VXX is doing pretty decent. So they're all the biggest percentage gainers are all ETFs that are out there. There's a drip on drip, but you can see, you can work your way down. Google's down a lot. Yeah, EDU, I'm glad. Let me tell you something. I'm glad I'm out of that stock. I had a big block of shares of that stock. I took a loss on that one. It was up to about 240. Look, came back to $1.80. Listen, I do not want to be involved with any Chinese stocks right now. They're obviously really, really taking it. And then obviously the big news, which I guess everyone saw yesterday with what's happening with the virus stocks and all the vaccine stocks. I guess the news that came out on Friday was not really good on Pfizer, but they did come out with good news this morning. They said they're going to try to put the FDA that it's good for kids between, 5 and 11 now. So I guess that gave it a little bit of a jump, but who knows? But be very careful, guys. Swing trading, if you're long, you're wrong. That's what we always say here. But just be careful on the trades out there. There's probably a lot of good opportunities to go short. I know that we always get people that get scared to short. I don't know why. I mean, shoot, it's 10 times more scary to trade an option and do a short. Short is just the opposite of long. Actually, you make more money going short than long, So Norman's saying the EDSA is moving. Yeah, I mean, listen, that was one that was on the top of the list. I mean, I did have the VSTM, but it looks like this one's obviously really picking up some serious momentum. Good call right there. So we got that's pretty much our watch list. and we'll keep an eye on it. Just be careful on your swing trades, everybody. And you know, and if we have to, we go short. You know, maybe there's a good chance. And you know what? Like I always say, if you're nervous to do a short, don't trade a lot of shares. Trade. Remember, I always joke around, and it's not a joke. Buy one share. One share is, you know what? If what's the worst thing that could happen to you? You got it. It's a lot better to trade one share than trade on demo mode. You got to get some money on the line. So let's go out there and see what we can do. And then last but not least, if you're in the room, in the cyber group room, obviously not applying to anyone on YouTube, Facebook Live, we do have phase 1 that is starting this morning. It starts at 10:35. Remember, we want you guys to train in the morning, and then we always want to jump up to class. It's our new cycle of classes. I know we have a lot of great students. This is the first time that you're going to be in there, and you're going to literally love it. Remember, you got to learn before you could earn. If you want to know more about it, talk to an education advisor to tell you about how to get in there. Let me tell you, it's the same exact class that I was trained 25 years ago. Nothing really has changed other than technology, and ticket charges got cheaper. And you don't have to come here to New York, and we don't have to split the profits, okay? So go out there, learn before you could earn. No better time. Like I told you, September, October, all right? And November, best months of the year to trade. Happy trading, everybody. We'll be back here at 2:30, and we'll see you if you're in the room. We'll see you commentary in the next 15 minutes. See you, everybody. Happy trading, everyone.